How to fix iPhone camera if it's stuck on a black screen. If you open the camera app and the screen is completely black, start by swiping up to close the app. Then try opening another app that uses the camera, like Snapchat or Instagram, to see if it works there. If it still doesn't work, open the Settings app. Tap General, scroll down, and select Shut Down. You can also press the volume up and side button together and swipe to power off. Restart your iPhone and check the camera again. If the issue continues, go back to Settings, General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and then reset all settings, entering your passcode when asked. This will restore all settings, including camera settings, back to default. If the camera still won't work, check that nothing is blocking the lens, like a phone case or debris. And if the problem persists, visit an Apple store so they can run diagnostics and check if it's a hardware issue.